Do you believe in an afterlife? In heaven or hell?
No,
Yes. Mm, maybe.
If it does exist, where do you think you'll go?
Mm, I don't know, bro. I've done pretty bad stuff. Maybe hell. Hell, maybe, but I don't mind. I like hot weather.
it doesn't matter, bro. I've enjoyed my life on earth. Hashtag YOLO.
I don't think I don't fit anywhere. मतलब हेवन जितना अच्छा तो नहीं हो, लेकिन हेल में जाने जितना बुरे काम भी नहीं किया है.
If there's even a slight chance of an afterlife being true, is being ignorant really worth the risk? Where do you think you'll go? Heaven, hell, or hell? Heaven or heaven or hell? Where do you think you'll worth the risk? Where do you think you'll worth the risk? Worth the risk? Worth the risk?
Care for a game?
Sure. Wait. Are you God? Am I in heaven? Did I die? Wait. How did I die? Why am I here?
Relax. First, sit. One question at a time. Yes, I'm God. I'm Jesus. You didn't die. And this is not heaven. That interview had an impact on you. You were confused. So, here I am to clear your doubts.
ओह या हाँ वो इंटरव्यू यार डरा दिया मुझे मूर्ख मानुस ओ सॉरी 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 थोड़ा इमोशंस में लैंग्वेज इधर उधर हो जाता है यू नो ना.
It's okay. You don't have to pretend in front of me. But if you really thought it was a stupid question, why would you think about it so much?
यू आर राइट पर मैं उसे भूल ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. सो टेल मी जीसस इज हेवन रियली दैट गुड और हेल दैट बैड? मी नॉट केयरिंग अबाउट इट इज वर्थ द रिस्क. आई रियली हैड अ प्रिटी ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ. कैसे तैसे तो अपना काम चला रहा हूँ मैं. आई डोंट थिंक कि इट विल मैटर टू एनी वन इफ आई लैंड ईदर प्लेस. मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी को फर्क भी पड़ेगा. नॉट इवन यू जीसस. नो ऑफेंस. हाँ
None taken. Let's understand it while playing this game. Consider this as your life. I'll play the God side, you play yours, and we can talk in between moves.
श्योर.
You were born in a decent family. You had parents, siblings, friends, and you did pretty well in school too.
Yeah, a family, parents who fought almost every day, and friends. उनके बारे में तो बात ही नहीं करे तो अच्छा है. सांप थे सांप सभी के सभी. I wasn't good to them either, but वो कहते हैं ना ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से. I had to cut them out of my life.
Yes, you had challenges. You had the choice to work on your relationships. But you gave up on them. You kept removing people and things that could have helped you just because you were uncomfortable.
And here we go. I'm losing from the start.
The game is still left. What about your career? I had great plans for you.
In school, I know I did good at first. You know, I wanted to be a doctor,
But later, you made friends. ऐसे दोस्त जिन्होंने तुम्हें गलत राह दिखाई. You went into addiction.
but God, आपने देखा ना, they forced me.
Maybe the first time. But later, it was your choice.
Yes, here we go. One more down. मैं हार रहा हूँ. Why are we even playing this game?
The game is still left. Trust me. Chalo, let's talk about your love life.
Okay, you really want to talk about it? मतलब आप गॉड हो. क्या ही बताऊँ आपको मैं.
In the Bible, it's written, God is love. And I stand by it. I care and love the things you love and care about.
God is love. Sounds good. Okay, so एक लड़की पसंद आई थी स्कूल में. फेयरवेल पे ही ब्रेकअप हो गया. फिर मैं कॉलेज गया. कॉलेज में एक साथ 2 लोगों को डेट किया. फिर एक दिन दोनों आमने सामने आ गए. मैं तो उस दिन पिटते पिटते बच गया. I know, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. But I said sorry to them. And I'm sorry to you too. I know you are love. By messing with love in such a way, I must have violated you.
Good that you understand it now. Yes, love is the most purest emotion I have created. And I desire for people to walk in that love.
So, God, when will I meet my girl? I mean, it's been a long time. I'm single. आजकल तो कोई पट्टी भी नहीं है.
Not until you understand what love truly means. You cannot fill that void with relationships. That void, I'm supposed to fill. Your relationship with God dictates your other relationships. It is not to be violated by such distractions which lead to mere pain.
You are right. I do need to grow. What I did in the past with others' feeling was definitely wrong. Who is perfect anyways? I know I have not given them any chances. I'm definitely not a good person. There was time I knew I was doing wrong. Being rude, hitting or manipulating someone. There was a time a guy lost his job because of me. I knew he needed that job. His family needed it. But I didn't consider it. I enjoyed, in fact, his suffering. I deserve hell. Oh no. Another down. See, this is a sign. Am I going to hell, Jesus?
The game is still left. And what about your purpose? Let's talk about that.
Purpose? You mean career? Yeah, I'm doing okay. Could be better.
No, I mean purpose. Yes, career is important. And I have given you gifts and talents to do well at it. But purpose is something I created you for. It's something exclusively only you can do. तुम्हारे सिवाय कोई और वो चीज नहीं कर सकता.
Wow, इतना special. लेकिन I don't think I have found it yet. Will you help me find it?
That's what I'm here for. You were created for a purpose. And it's my desire for you to walk in it. But the more important question is, are you willing to walk in it?
I have a feeling it's not easy. जिस तरह आप बोल रहे हो, seems like an important job.
It's not easy. But you don't have to do it alone.
Sorry God, but nothing really worked in my life. And you were there all along. You being there didn't make any difference. How is it going to make any difference in the future?
That's what you think. I'm not a distant or angry God who watches from afar. I very much care about you and your life, and I'm invested in it. तुम मेरी रचना हो. You're the apple of my eye. How can I forget you? But I have given you free will. मैंने तुम्हें अच्छी फैमिली दी थी. तुम्हें उनमें सिर्फ कमियां दिखी. I gave you gifts to do well at school. But you didn't take it seriously. गलत दोस्तों का चुनाव तुमने ही किया. गलत रिश्तों में जाकर खुद का और दूसरों का समय व्यर्थ किया. तुम्हारे करियर के लिए मैंने बड़ी योजना रखी, पर लगातार गलत चुनाव और अविश्वास के कारण तुमने असफलताएं देखी. You had the choice of choosing life or death at every stage of your life. And you kept choosing death. मृत्यु का चुनाव मृत्यु ही लाएगा.
हाँ Jesus, you are right. I did have power to choose. Because of my stupidity, I lost it all. Oh, wow. See, there goes another one. I'm losing again. I'm losing at my life. You are God. You are right. You are winning. But here I am losing at everything.
In no way is your loss my win. लेकिन मेरी जीत में तुम्हारी जीत है. And I told you, right? The game is still left.
Yes, but I didn't understand. आपकी जीत में मेरी जीत?
You don't go to heaven or hell because of your works, whether good or bad.
Well, that's a relief. क्योंकि अगर कामों पे डिपेंड होता ना तो मेरी तो नर की टिकट कंफर्म थी. ये लो, एक और चला गया. स्वर्ग नर का तो पता नहीं जीसस, यहाँ पक्का हार रहा हूँ मैं. I know. The game is still left. You might say that my works have nothing to do with it, but it's hard to believe. I'm a total sinner, God. I don't think I have made anyone's life easier. Worse, I've made it difficult for me and others. I have hurt people. I deserve a punishment. After talking to you, I've realized I was wrong at so many places. I couldn't do anything about my life. Even I am losing at this game. Indirectly, my life. I lost at my life, God. Forget afterlife. I have ruined my life here on earth. What chances I have of heaven? Zero. Totally zero.
You're right. You do deserve a punishment. But that's what I'm here for.